Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today we're working on the Audi Quattro rally car, and I got a couple of parts I wanted to throw in it. I'm not a huge fan of this plastic drive shaft. I think this is going to be a lot better play here doing these aluminum pieces. I feel like that one's soft enough it's going to twist in there and not produce enough power to the front end. So that'll be a good upgrade. As I was driving in the previous driving video, I felt like it was probably too stiff in the back. Well, as I'm kind of sitting here messing with it, it might be a little bit too soft. So I don't know. I got some other springs here. These are team associated. We got some Tamiya stuff. We're going to kind of pull these off and have a look at it and see what I think. I feel like, though, I might have been wrong. I think it was probably too soft and it was bottoming out too fast and popping the back end up. So we're going to go through this and see what I think. Maybe replace the fluid, thicken it up some, drop them a little, and go back out and put it on my head and run a few laps, and we'll see what it feels like. So we may go the wrong way. I'm hoping we're going the right way. I think we're going to have to stiffen it a little bit. So that's the direction we're going to take it, and we'll go out and play and see what we think. So we'll catch you in a bit. All right. New setup. Oh, I think it's way better. I do think it is way better. Oop. See if we can increase some speed here. Some traction. Oop. Darn it. My body. Oh, got some dirt on it. Oh well. It is definitely less bouncy than it was before. We still need to get some adjustable suspension on it. I put some kind of a camber in the back. We got to bring them the little bit of negative camber back there, maybe a couple of degrees, to keep it from doing that traction roll stuff. But it is running a lot better, much less bouncy. Go backwards now, counterclockwise. Oop, a little wide. All right, well, not bad for now. Well, that worked out actually fairly well. I ended up stiffening it up. The springs were about perfect. What it had was just less dampening, and I had to increase the dampening. When I built the shocks, I put the 2-hole pistons in, and I should have put the ones like the instructions said. Went back to the stock fluid off of the Traxxas stuff. And then I tipped the shocks into the inner thing, and it seemed to work out a lot better than it did before. It was much less bouncy. It still bounces because there's, you know, a ½ an inch of travel, but yeah, it worked a lot better. So what I need to really do now, it's time. We're gonna have to put some camber back here. What's happening is this is transferring out to the edge of the tire, and then it just rolls. So we're gonna have to, especially in the rear, we're gonna have to get some negative camber in there to push those tires in a little bit on the top, and we'll try it again. We might do some other stuff as time goes, but so far pretty good. not too bad. So I'll keep messing with it. We'll come out and try it again, but got other stuff to do too, so we'll get on to some other things for right now. So thanks for watching. Comment, like, subscribe. Catch you later.